Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from my really sweet, crafty friend BB from BB's Closet Creations. BB is like my baby sister and I love her so much. So thank you so much for supporting me always. We've had some really fun collaborations through the years and she has sent me some mail. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what she sent. So let me pull everything out and then we will, oh my gosh, BB, oh my goodness. I have to look, I always love to look for the letter. I see there's something for Emmy. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so excited to see that she got happy mail. Look at the way she packaged this. Is this gorgeous or what? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Let me put that down. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. So I'm gonna put these aside and let me show you that in just a few. Oh my gosh, where do we begin? Okay, I'm gonna start. This is calling to me. Look at this beautiful card that she has made. Again, the packaging. Oh, this is for her giveaway. I think this is the journal that I won, if I'm not mistaken. But let me open that real quick and make sure that's what that is. Here's that beautiful card. One sec. Thank you so much, BB. I love it. This is the journal that I won from her giveaway, from her Butterfly Kisses giveaway. So if you missed that, I was lucky enough to win one of them. So, oh my gosh, it says March 18. That's my actual birthday. That is so cool. Look at this beautiful trim. So I'm going to slide that out and take this out here. But before I open this, I want to go ahead and show you. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm just so excited. So this is the altered piece that she made. Is that gorgeous? I love it. She knows me so well. I love fashions from the 1920s, 40s, and 50s. And look what she put there. 1945, we have this beautiful stamped image. Where did you get that, BB? It is gorgeous. I love it. So one of the items that I had requested that was that you could alter a guest check. So she has this receipt and I think it is beautiful. That is another way that you can send it to me. But look at the details down here. I love that pastel colored fabric and she has put a beautiful button on it. We have beautiful layering here of florals, some wax paper it looks like. I think this might be wallpaper, and then we have a beautiful book page. So let me check the back real quick. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful poem. The Garden of Friendship. There is no garden so complete, but roses could make the place more sweet. There is no life so rich and rare, but one more friend could enter there. Oh, like roses in a garden, kindness fills the air with a certain bit of sweetness as it touches everywhere. Oh my gosh, baby, you're gonna make me cry. Oh, thank you so much. That is such a sweet, 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 sweet poem. And I truly, truly love, let me just catch my breath, this beautiful altered card you made me. Thank you so much, BB. Thank you. All right, sorry guys, I had to compose myself back there. But again, thank you so much, BB. And in addition, she has shared a beautiful postcard from New Mexico. And she says, hello, Kara, this postcard is from the thrift store in the brown box I featured with my husband on a whiskey. I remember this video. That was really super fun when they were looking through. So thank you so much, BB. Here is a look at that beautiful card. I love it. I'm definitely going to put this together with the other postcards I've received so far from all of you guys, and I will be reading on that as well. So let's put that right here. Bibi is such a sweetheart. She's also included a few goodies for my daughter Emmy, who celebrated her birthday in January, and I can see it right here. We'll show you that in just a sec. We love tea time, and she has shared some strawberry hibiscus tea, and I love the way you packaged it. Let me just... Oh my gosh, look, she has also made me some... She knows how much I love wax seals. But let me just show you the tea that she shared. Green tea and strawberry hibiscus. You know, we're going to be sipping that. And let me pull out. Bibi had featured these Temu wax seals, 3D wax seals. So if you missed her haul, make sure to check it out. I just love that. Look at that color. We have the bird and the strawberries, and of course, our monarch butterfly. She calls her subbies her monarchs, so I love that. That's super sweet. And then we will be looking at the beautiful journal she also sent me that I won. And it's coming, as she mentioned in her letter, it's kind of come full circle. We had done a swap previously with this wallpaper, and now a piece of it has come back to me, which is so special, Bibi. Look at the beautiful packaging that she has done here with the layering. I love the birds and just the attention to detail. It's so thoughtful of you. And I don't know if this was intentional, but what a great coincidence that it had my actual birth date on there. Bibi, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. All right, this is funny. I've opened this up, trying not to tear that away. But this is not the journal, by the way. But oh my goodness, I can already tell from this little color here. Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh! It is a Winnie the Pooh little instruction book, which I do not have. And this is so adorable. I have a collection of these Winnie the Pooh books, mostly storybooks, but I have never come across this. Bibi, thank you so much. What an amazing surprise. And look at this. There's a cute little label of, it used to be Jane Ann's little book. So thank you. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Oh, and I love that it has all these beautiful quotes that, oh my gosh, really apply. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. Thank you so much. This is so precious. Thank you. So we have this book here. Let me just put that right up there so you can see it, along with her beautiful entry. And here is that beautiful packaging. She had a recent thrift haul, and she had featured, I'm definitely gonna use this, sorry, for my journals, and she had featured this beautiful find that she got from her thrifting. It was featured in our ASMR Sundays video. Look at these gorgeous colorful pansies. What a beautiful card, and this is from Hallmark. That is just gorgeous. Now, how does this open? Because I know Bibi was it was a little tricky, but here it is. There's the opening, and it says, "Nothing warms the heart like your lovely company. Please say you'll come." That's so cute. It's an invitation card. That is adorable. Put that there. She's also shared some napkins, and I love hummingbirds, so I'm going to be using that for a decoupaging project. Look at that. Super sweet. We have the envelope, and I'm guessing that's for our Hallmark card. Oh, I love maps she has shared, and this is from Louisiana. Believe it or not, my husband actually grew up in Louisiana. That is amazing. Or part of, yeah, he grew up from 6 years old to about, I think, early teens, and then moved to Colorado. Wow, super cool. Thank you for that. Let's put that right here. Gorgeous doily, and you know how much doily is always fun to put on our journals. And what do we have here? Oh my gosh. Oh, how fun, a bird's nest. And I love, what is this paper? Where is this from, baby? We also have some book pages. Okay. Not sure what language. It might be German. I'm not sure. And then we have a psalm, I believe. Beautiful. And what do we have? Is this wallpaper? How gorgeous is that? That is really beautiful. Thank you so much, BB. I'm gonna put this gorgeous trim here and let's open this up. Here it is, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous journal. This is the one I won from her giveaway. It is beautiful, BB. I love it. And this is the wallpaper I had sent to her in our Thrifty Challenge swap, I believe. But look at that beautiful bead dangle. I love those colors. She is an amazing journal maker. I will link her Poshmark down below. I'm trying to see if she can get into Etsy because she has such beautiful journals that a lot of people have to see and have access to. So this is, I'm going to put that in my journal because this was journal 2A. And we're going to quickly take a peek at this beautiful journal that BB made me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So she's used another pocket. So this is a wonderful idea for your journals if you are looking for some fun ideas, some stamping, some stickers in here. Love this. It's so cool to see this in person. And look at that. I love this page. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so awesome. Look at how small that paper clip is. Wow, this is beautiful, BB. I love the mix of paper. Here's this gorgeous vellum. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Peeking. Beautiful flowers. We have a pocket with goodies in here. Whoa, there's that butterfly. Wow. I can write on that. Wow. That is gorgeous. Amazing. Little tuck spot. How fun is this? Oh my gosh, there's some writing there. I just love it. Love this. And I think she might have colored this paper herself. Really beautiful. Here's a belly band. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh, that's a cute little pocket. Amazing. How cool is that? So I can tuck some stuff in there. Beautiful. Sorry, I hear somebody working out there. Somebody, neighbor's landscaper probably. But look at this beautiful journal. Is this amazing? Oh my gosh. This is super cool. Thank you so much. Basket of like this is perfect for any season. And I cannot wait. BB has gifted me some beautiful journals in the past. She made me this Winnie the Pooh journal that I am still continuing to journal in. It's almost filled up, but I just love it and I can't wait to start in this one. We also had our Christmas thrift swap journal that I love that she made from a greeting card. So amazing. And I can create my own layouts. That's so pretty. Look at these flowers that she picked for this page. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I love it, BB. Thank you so much. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to be using this for March, for my journaling in March. This will be amazing, or for my challenge. I think it is just so precious. So thank you for that beautiful gift. And then she has included some cuties here. Oh, it's for me. One is for me, Kara from BB. And it says cherry blossom. I love it. It's scratch and sniff. Let me smell this really. Oh my gosh, that smells really nice. Thank you so much, BB. I am going to use that. What else do we have here? I don't know. That might be Emmy's. Let's see. This is for me. And we have a matching body cream lotion. Love it. Thank you so much. And this is for Emmy, and she got, oh, she's gonna love this, pink vanilla wish. She will love it, BB. Thank you, so thoughtful. And she has a bag full of goodies. I'm not gonna open it because I know this is for Emmy. I want her to be surprised as well. So thank you so much. Here is another look at the beautiful altered receipt that BB had made for me. It is gorgeous. I just love it. And that poem, that precious poem on the back, truly touched my heart. Thank you so much, BB, and for all these wonderful treasures that you've gifted and shared with me. I felt so lucky to have won this beautiful journal, and I will be using this. So thank you so much. Show her some crafty love and head on over to BB's Closet Creations. She is such a joy to watch, and her journals are beautiful, so check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. You have until March 12th to join my giveaway if you'd like to join. Again, BB, I am sending you the warmest hugs through the screen right now. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. I will see you again next time. Bye.